Everyone, and Happy New Year. Welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com. And in this video, we're going to discuss the current state of the markets as we start 2023 and how I plan on navigating it for our subscribers this year. But first, if you want our free alerts, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. You can sign up with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can also sign up for your mobile. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'll be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin that format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you can download our free ebook, the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our email, text messaging service, and ebook are all free from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms. Well, 2023 started out with pretty much the same as 2022. As I said in my last video, it's hard for me to be bullish in this environment of rising interest rates. The goal is for the Fed's goal is for unemployment to rise, to slow the economy, lowering inflation. I don't see how we can avoid a recession when that's going to happen, and that will hit corporate earnings. So you have higher borrowing costs and a slowing economic environment, which is not good for stocks. How I plan on navigating this market is with a high cash position and to day and swing trade catalyst plays. There needs to be news, a filing, or an event that happened to drive the stock price. Trading charts, etc., relying on social media, looking for low floats, looking at the short squeeze play. If there's not a catalyst, it will not work. A lot of the plays from last year, guys, they're over. And you need to find new plays. I cannot stress that enough. And that's what we are doing here at InsiderFinancial.com for our subscribers. Every day we are looking at the after hours and pre-market movers that have significant news that will drive stock prices and allow you to trade and make money. The key is compiling all the news and deciding what news is actionable or not. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. We'll be sending out pre-market alerts on small caps with news in play. Remember, after you get our report, do your own due diligence. Always do your own research. Then learn how to trade opening ranges. I talk a lot about this in our free penny stock ebook, which you will receive after signing up. And I will discuss opening ranges, how that played out today, more in this video as we dive in. But like I said, in terms of the overall market, we even have Sartori Fund founder Dan Niles. He predicted today that the S&P 500, he says, will fall another 20% from current levels as companies and investors continue to feel the pinch from the Fed's actions to tame inflation. He said, I think as you look at 2023, you're going to start to see earnings estimates really start to get cut as the economy starts to slow down following the rate hikes in 2022. He said that his target on the S&P is 3,000, which is down from its current level of 3,800. But if you look here, we are in a pennant formation right now. I didn't do any trading today. Choppy. I thought we would bounce. I thought we would get some cash off the sidelines. Some excitement would come in and propel the market higher to start the new trading year. But we did not get that. But right now we do have this pennant formation here. I'm looking at long SPY above 386 and short below 376. So that is the range, 376 to 386, that I am looking at. But we do have catalyst plays, some news this week that could drive the overall market. Tomorrow we get JOLTS, the job openings and labor turnover survey. This will be released at 10 a.m. This is one of Powell's favorite numbers to watch about inflation. The Fed wants to see job openings decline as a sign inflation is easing. A strong jobs opening number would be bearish for stocks. We also get the Fed minutes at 2 p.m. And then on Thursday, jobless claims pre-market and St. Louis Fed President Bullard the Bear, he speaks at noon. On Friday, non-farm payrolls and unemployment numbers are released pre-market. Any signs the labor market is weakening would be bullish for stocks, as a strong jobs number would be bearish for stocks. And then we also see Fed President's Barkin and Bostic speak all day. But a lot of the weakness today was really driven by Tesla and Apple. Both weak today. Tesla closed down 12%, Apple down 3.7%. You know, these are big cap names. Apple, you know, as Apple goes, so goes the market. Tesla, they suffered pressure today, continuing a slide that saw the stock get hit last month. It was hurt by a disappointing deliveries report. As deliveries came in less than expected. Since November, Tesla is now down over 40%. So quite a move here in Tesla. Apple fell almost 4%. This is a report following that it might be cutting back MacBook and Apple Watch production levels with the decline. Apple is now under 2 trillion market cap. In terms of some sector that a lot of people like this year, many are bullish on WYNN as Macau reopens. Remember, their business has been shut down for the last 2 years in Macau. So if Macau opens, visitors start coming in, that is going to be a huge tailwind to really drive WYNN's earnings. In terms of news plays that I was talking about, you know, let's look at today's action. First up is LHDX. We had big news out today. Pre-market 7 a.m. The company submitted an EUA, which is emergency use authorization for the over-the-counter use of its COVID-19 and flu test. And here, you know, I can go into the opening range here. As I said, I like to use the 15-minute opening range. It allows the market to sort of just get going. I don't really like to trade right away. And here you look at here, you know, 9:30 to 10 o'clock. It was basically open at 14 cents, dipped down to 13 cents, as high as 15 cents, and then it really got going here when it broke out of that opening range, broke through 15 cents and ran all the way to 85 cents. So again, this was an unreal play today. Congrats to all who banked in LHDX. JSPR had a big gap today, another news play. Sort of choppy here, got going later in the day. I don't really like these big gaps. I tend to, it makes me stay away, especially when you see, you know, this gap up here, then pulling down here. So I didn't like the action in JSPR. And again, guys, remember, I talk about these opening ranges. A lot of this is in the free ebook. So this is very important. Will help you with your trading. Again, we are not an investment advisor, just educational purposes only. And JSPR, their news was big. They said they announced positive clinical data from a phase 1/2 trial as conditioning treatment in sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia. Moving on here, ATNF. This is continued momentum from last week's PR. The company put out on Thursday, they issued a letter to shareholders, which was bullish, and the stock has just been continuing to climb ever since. So broke through 2 and climbed to $6. So again, there are opportunities still in these markets. Again, you just got to be day trading and swing trading these plays, not long-term holds. AUPH had news out this morning, and then if you look here at the opening ranges that I talked about, it kept you out of this trade. So we got the gap up, opened at 564. It was as high as 621. Never got above that opening range. Just the choppy day kept you out. We're looking for momentum plays. We want that stock that is going to trend throughout the day. So, you know, when it breaks through that opening range, that signals to a lot of the algorithms, a lot of traders like, hey, we got a breakout happening, and the momentum players come in. So you need that momentum to really, you know, keep the stock price going. So again, AUPH had news, but again, it kept you out by following the opening range. So again, this is something that I cannot stress enough. It saved me from a lot of bad trades. And, you know, a lot of times the key is, if you really want to be successful as a trader, a lot of times it's finding the trades to stay away from, to not be in. And, you know, guys, you don't need to, you know, be in every play. A lot of like what Warren Buffett says, he says you're a batter, you're up there, and you can just pick your pitches that you want to swing at. So that's what we try to do here, and that's you know, help our subscribers as much as possible here at InsiderFinancial.com. Couple of plays watching for tomorrow. OBLG and ELYS both out with no news. These are running after hours. OBLG closed at 11 cents, trading at 20 cents in the after hours. Let's see what the news is tomorrow. Maybe PR in the morning. ELYS closed at 25 cents, trading at 37 cents in the after hours. A lot of times, if there's what happens, guys, if there's no news in the after hours, you get some people that are spreading rumors on social media, or someone knows that something is going to drop in the morning. They're trying to get in early and you know, get positioned ahead of tomorrow. But if there is no news, these gains will fade. So again, I'm really looking for confirmation of the catalyst that makes me feel much better that the trade will work out. GEG and GERN both out with news after the bell. JEG, this is interesting play here. A lot of insider buying. I mean, just he has been, the director, Jason Reese, he's just been loading up here under $2. Look at all these buys recently. He's now up to 5.6 million shares total. So again, he's been accumulating stocks. So again, you know, insider buying is certainly something that I pay attention to here at InsiderFinancial.com, and you guys should as well. But the news here on GEG was that they put out they acquired 60 million in revenues and 13 million adjusted EBITDA with their strategic acquisition of Great Elm Healthcare. So again, let's see what this Great Elm. So the company here, they sold their durable medical equipment business for 80 million. And that is significant with a market cap of just 61 million. So again, this guy knew what he was doing. Insider buying, this told you all last month that something was going to happen, and we got that PR today. So again, GEG, watch that for tomorrow. GERN, what's this news? They have a conference call for top-line results from their iMerge Phase 3. So catalyst there, so certainly one to pay attention to in GERN. HOTH, they put out an PR after hours that their offering closed. I can see a real bounce here. We saw the big gap last week, ran all the way to 1250, got the correction. A lot of times you get this correction retracement, so I think we will be watching this one for a trade tomorrow. Lastly, guys, is KEGS. Big news they put out. They retired 3.4 billion shares of their outstanding stock. That is big news indeed. They just have a $1.4 million market cap, trading in the trip zeros. Certainly one we will be watching. You know, whenever an OTC is retiring stock, we certainly pay attention here at InsiderFinancial.com. As this Raven Dusk said, remember, beer is pretty much recession-proof. Company is very active. Never mess with huge share structure reduction like they did. They mean business, and we concur. So that's certainly KEGS is one OTC to watch. But we're doing a lot of preparing a lot of special reports for subscribers on how to navigate 2023. We also had our first alert of the year this morning. This is a NASDAQ biotech penny stock with news in play. The stock closed up just under 10% and is trading higher in the after hours. This is a cancer and diabetes treatment play. We have further upcoming catalysts this year. To get all of our reports, guys, and our profile in this company, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email and mobile. Remember, guys, it's completely free. Unsubscribe at any time. Also, smash that like button. Remember, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is updated. Finally, guys, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Want to wish everyone trading good luck. Happy New Year. Let's all have a big 2023 by trading smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos like this one. Good luck, and we'll be coming back live tomorrow after the bell with a new video update. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.